Hello and welcome again to Excel Academy's Business Communication class, where we're going to work on some mock MCQs for CSCET. Let's take a look at the first question now. The original amount that is borrowed or the outstanding balance to be repaid less interest is called A. Dividend, B. Principal, C. Simple interest, or D. Installment. What do you think the correct answer is? Take a look at the question again. The original amount that is borrowed or the outstanding balance to be repaid less interest is called what? Correct. Your answer is option B, principal. Now let's take a look at the next question. Question 2. Before sending any written communication, one should take a moment to review for spelling, grammar, and punctuation mistakes. This practice is called courtesy, over-communication, checking the tone, or proofreading. So whenever we write anything, we should always take a look at it again for spelling, grammar, and any punctuation mistakes. What is this called? That's right. The correct answer is option D, proofreading. Let's take a look at question number 3 now. Which of the following protocol is used by the web? Is it A. HTTPH, B. HPPT, C. HTTP, or D. HTTP? So the correct answer is option C. HTTP. What does HTTP stand for? The full form is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Let's take a look now at question 4. A single controlling authority is involved in a vertical type communication, and people are communicating with a central figure or person. This central figure or person radiates instructions and orders to several of his employees who are working under him. This type of network is called A. Wheel and spoke network, B. Vertical network, C. Circuit network, or D. Chain network. Look at it again. Look at the question again. A single controlling authority is involved in a vertical type communication, and people are communicating with a central figure or person. This central figure or person radiates instructions and orders to several of his employees who are working under him. So there is somebody in the center, right? When you say a person radiates instructions as a central figure, you can visualize a wheel. So your correct answer is option A, the wheel and spoke network. Let's move on to question number 5 now. Pick the most effective word from the given words to fill in the blank to make sure that the sentence is meaningfully complete. The proud king turned a deaf ear to the dash of wise counselors. Is it A, advice, B, advice, C, advices, or D, advices? So take a look at the spellings first. The proud king turned a deaf ear to the dash of wise counselors. The correct answer is option number C, which is advices. Now let's take a look at question 6. Communication word is derived from the Latin word communicare, communion, cosmos, or communis. The word communication in English is derived from the Latin word communis. So the correct answer in this case is option D. Let's take a look now at question number 7. Which of the following is the odd word out? Is it A. Gorgeous, B. Elegant, C. Exquisite, or D. Hideous? Yeah, think about it. What do you think the correct answer is? That's right. It's option D, hideous, because gorgeous, elegant, and exquisite are synonyms of something that is beautiful. So they are in a positive light. On the other hand, D, the word hideous, option D, the word hideous is something that is an antonym. It's the opposite. That's why that is the odd one out. Let's take a look at question number 8 now. The phrase vox populi means A. The voice of the people is voice of God. B. An oral examination. C. Word for word. Or D. Conversely. So the phrase vox populi means the voice of the people is voice of God. That's option A. That's the correct answer. The voice of the people is voice of God. Let's take a look at question 9 now. Use a single word for deliberate killing of whole community or race. Is it A. a hangar, B. genocide, C. atheist, or D. flora? What do you think the answer is? That's right. The answer is B. genocide. Because hangar refers to a place where they park aeroplanes. Atheist is a person who does not believe in God. And flora refers to anything related to vegetation or flowers. Let's take a look at the last question for the day. That's question 10. Give the correct synonym for the word disintegrate in the following sentence. The plane would probably disintegrate at that high speed. So the word synonym refers to a similar word. So would it be option A, fuse, option B, crumble, option C, meager, or option D, stop? The plane would probably disintegrate at that high speed. Disintegrate means to break down. So which of these words look like that? That's right. Your answer is option B, crumble, which means to break up, to break down. So we'll stop with this for today and we'll continue the next session with more MCQs. In the meanwhile, I would like to request you to go through your CSCET syllabus, go through all the previous videos, try doing more of these questions on your own. All the very best.